Hello everybody, today I'd like to introduce you to two Western dishes. The first one is spaghetti from Italy and the second one is snails from France. Spaghetti is considered to be one of the easiest dishes to make because all we need to do is boil the spaghetti and then add the tomato sauce. The only thing that it's important to know is the fact that boiling spaghetti, it needs a specific time for doing that. Usually it's around 8 minutes so that it doesn't get too soft or it doesn't get too hard. And after that we prepare the tomato sauce. So the best way to do it is not use any already made tomato sauce, but to make your own tomato sauce. And that's done by boiling tomatoes and mixing them with some herbs. And that's very simple to make, and it's a very common dish in Western countries. The second dish, snails. This is a little bit more complicated. And first thing we need is the animals, right? The snails. So originally people just raised them at home in a tank. People would put them in a tank. And then once they were already grown up and big enough for eating, we boil them. After they're boiled, we have to remove the meat, the snail, from outside of the shell, right? After we remove the body from the shell, we have to cut off the hepatopancreas, that's their liver, right? So we cut off their liver. Then we get the meat, we put it in a blender and we mix it with coconut milk and some spices and herbs, and then we create a cream. So that's the cream we actually eat. So this snail cream, we put it back into the shell, as you can see here, right? So we put the snail cream back into the shell and then we put it in the oven and we bake it for let's say like 10 minutes or at the most 15 minutes. And this is a very delicious dish. I know that not everybody likes it because it looks weird, but it's actually one of my favorite dishes and I have actually cooked it myself before. I hope you can try it one day.